Hey, what's up everyone? I just wanted to show this to you. I'm doing an autopsy on a 71 Buick 455 that had zero oil pressure and made a lot of noise and had almost no miles on it. Get a load of this. I was pulling lifters out and I noticed that they weren't looking real great. And then I found a couple that were really like way worse than this. And one of the cam lobes was kind of schnockered. So I figured, we've already got a new short block for it here, and it's already got a new cam in it. And but we need to put lifters in there. I anticipated using the old lifters, but that is not the case now. So I ordered new lifters and push rods for it. And about halfway through, when I was getting the lifters out, I noticed the cam moved. Not this way, but it moved up and down. It was broke. And I swear the cam probably had to be broke or cracked as they were putting it in. Maybe they dropped it. But this is what the bearing used to, or the journal used to look like, and now it's way smaller. All the center bearings are toast, or journals are toast, but the outers are in okay shape. This wasn't even spinning. So we were 2.5 cylinders short of a full running engine, but it actually ran, which I found weird. But wait, there's more. I haven't even taken the rod bearings apart, but we did not have an oil slinger, and the end of the crank is kind of foobar. When I pulled the oil pan off, here's the rear seal on it. That's how it was sitting. Like, you can see the impression where the oil pan was. Yeah, good time. So I'm gonna take number 7 and 8 rod caps off and see what they look like, because this is the Achilles heel for the Buick engines, and those are the first to go. Okay, here we go. Number 8 and number 7. There is a bit of damage. I'm pretty sure the contamination from all the metal from that cam just went through everything, and you can actually feel with your fingernail through here. So at the very least, the crank is gonna have to be removed and turned, everything cleaned out, new bearings, everything fit back together. But I think we're gonna let this one lie for a while, and maybe it can be redone. Thankfully it's not a numbers match car, so yeah, we don't have to worry about putting this block back in the car. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what I found today. Good times in the shop.